Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use the Tradingview news feeds. Alright, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is to access the news feed. So you can access the news feed by clicking on the news button on the trading dashboard. Step 2 is going to be to customize your news feed. So you want to customize your new feeds by simply selecting the news sources and topics that interest you. And you can also step 3 is to read and share news articles. So you can read and share news articles with other users. You can also share articles publicly or privately with specific users or groups. Step 4 is to use news sentiment analysis. So you can use news sentiment analysis to gauge market sentiments and make informed trading decisions. Yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview news feed. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next.